looks, appearances. You want that eye appeal. Whether you're cooking, whether you're baking, or decorating, the creativity that you put into your piece is how well it's going to turn out. Chocolates, because in my home-based business, Signature Confections, we do personalized chocolate candy bars. We can put them in a basket, put them by themselves, or do promotional needs, just wherever your needs are. Clean, well organized, well equipped, and a very friendly atmosphere. Because if everything's organized and you have everything well equipped, it takes a lot of the stress out of the situation, because it's all, if you need a certain tool or instrument, you know exactly where it's at. And then it just, you're not wasting a lot of time, downtime, hunting for something or having to revise it a different way. I did the catering for Rhine-Main veterans in Germany.
Oh, no kidding.
Had a wonderful time.
You gotta tell us about that now.
Oh, I had a wonderful time. We did the food, we did the decorations, I planned it all. I did the tarts and the Black Forest cakes, and it was a very enjoyable event. They came over from Germany and they stayed the week, had different activities. Each day they had different activity. I did the dinner on Friday night, and it was just very enjoyable to meet people in Germany.
Oh, no kidding.
And they was veterans, so they was older, and they had a lot of history to teach and tell us, and we had a really good time mingling with them. Well, I have a home-based business, and with Chef Walsh, Chef Coob, Chef Turley, Chef Tabor, and even Chef Hagman, even though I don't have him as a chef, he has really done a lot of influencing. They've put a polish, a professionalism to my pieces that I've done that I felt like I did not have. I've done my business well, but I didn't have that certain professional look that when you took a picture, you didn't see no flaws. And they've added that to my life. It was actually my husband, David. He told me that what I do is very well. And he encouraged me to go from a home-based business into a full-blown business, and I didn't feel secure with the business end and not feeling like I had that professional look. And with his 100% encouragement, because he really pushed, I enrolled here and went to school, and the first semester, all the way to school, all the way home, he would call. No, I'm going to do chocolate tuxedo strawberries. With also on the side, I'm going to be doing a chocolate candy mold that we personally make the candy molds ourselves, because we personalize it to what your needs are. And I'm going to do one of those too along with it. The mold starts with a 2-month process. We give our customers 2 months to let us be able to do the artwork, and then we send it off to a lady who does the acid sketch drawing into a mold, or master mold, and then we do it into a thermoplastic machine. It's like a vacuum former, and it vacuum forms plastic into our molds that we use to do the plastic, the candy bars, whether it's a sucker candy bar, variety of choices you have. And then as far as we get to that point, then that's when I personally take over. And then you have to temper the chocolate to a certain degree so it doesn't bloom. And in the tuxedo point, you dip the front any color you want to, but I choose them white. And then you dip into either the dark or the milk chocolate at an angle, so you get the biased look as a tuxedo. And then you take a cornet and fill it with chocolate and do your bow tie and your buttons, and you have your tuxedo strawberry. It's very elegant looking, it has a good presentation. As a small child, I watched my mother, and she would cook for 200 people for family functions, whether it was church events. Everyone came to her house because she was a fabulous cook. And to watch her smile and laugh, and what she created, watching everyone enjoying what she did. When I became about 12 years old, then I took and would dig in and help her. And it was nothing for us to have 250 people for Memorial Day.
Wow.
And just, that was after, when we was little, Mom's life was us, the kids. There was 4 of us. But as we grew up, her life became cooking for people, seeing the enjoyment. If I am a third of what my mother was, I'll be happy. I just got a job today, the Montgomery Courthouse. The court system has hired me on a contract to do all their events.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Very nice.
I did
Save the best for last.
Yeah, I did the business cards for Republican Party Mike Buckwater for his promotional need. I did candy bars for him to pass out, which no one in history has ever done as a promotional need. It's either signs or magnets or a pencil. He did a candy bar, and they call me his secret weapon, and so I got the contract for the Montgomery County
Oh,
Court.
that's great. You gotta be happy about that.
Yes, I am.
Tell everybody down here.
I told a few of the girls.
Oh,
I haven't
you
told.
gotta put that as like front page news. Tell the PR people about that. That sounds like a great opportunity for you.
Yeah, I'm very pleased. It's an art and a lifestyle, because whether you're at home with your family, in church as an event, work, or here at school, the way you present yourself, the way you act, the way you do your professionalism is how you get your job, and that's how you go and achieve a goal you have for yourself.